Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is another brand new beautiful day here in Tennessee with this 2001 Cement Toyota Tacoma Restoration. It's a beautiful truck. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're glad you stopped by. In the last video, we did put the new carpet in this truck. We spent a good minute of time just getting everything buttoned up together. We sewed the steering wheel cover on and kind of replaced all of that and got that going. We're inches away from being 100% completely done with this truck. We're so glad you stayed with us on this journey. What we're going to do today, we're going to pull in the shop. We did order a small lift kit from Motifab Lifts. It's more like a leveling kit. We've used Motifab before. They're really good. They're inexpensive. They're made in the USA. You know, they got a lot of things going for them. We like to use them when we can. So what we're going to do, we're going to pull the truck in the shop. We're going to put that thing in. We're going to try to get everything 100% buttoned up. Stick some tires and wheels on this thing, see what it looks like, and be done with this journey. So let's get to it. Alrighty, so we got the wheel off. What we want to do real quick is while we got that off, we're going to have to let this set. These bolts are a little bit rusty. So I'm going to hit them all with the PB blaster. And then we're going to jump in there and take some of this stuff out. Let me show you what I'm going to take out. We'll put this lift in. What we got to do is we got to get a block put right there, which has got a small one in there, like a little small leveling kit. But what we're going to do, take the sway bar end links loose, and then just ease this thing over, take the strut out, put the block in, put the strut back. Easy enough, right? Well, it is the next day here. One of them, a couple of them bolts being a little bit stubborn because of 20 years of being in the truck. We got it all off. We got it all put in. Got the driver's side put in. So now we're gonna move to the passenger side on the front. We'll get that put in. Should be easy. Should be the reverse. I got another 5 gallons of PB blaster. So we'll get that off of there. But we'll turn this thing around, check it out for just a minute. That side went a lot better. Soaked it down with that 5 gallons of PP blaster. That really helped it. We got that shoved in there. So now I'm going to turn this sucker around. We're gonna get to the back of it. We're gonna put the back under. That should be real easy. I'll cut them U-bolts if I have to. That won't be a big deal because I got brand new ones. So we're gonna put the blocks under the back. We're gonna get it all lifted up and then get ready for some tires and wheels to go on it. Make it look really good. So let's hop to it right now. And that was easy. That was an easy job. We just made quick work of that. We got that Motifab lift stuck right in this truck. Everything went phenomenal. You know, it's magnificent the way this truck is coming together. It's just beautiful. And what we got to do now, what we got to do next, we got to stick some tires and wheels on here. Then we're gonna get out some badges and put the new badges on, because what is a first gen Tacoma with a third gen paint job without some third gen badges? So we're gonna badge this thing up like it's a third gen. That's what we decided to do. That's what we bought. That's what we're gonna put on it. We're gonna hit that differential drop. We're gonna get this thing done. It's gonna get done today. We're gonna show y'all what it looks like and how it turned out. It's gonna be beautiful. Man, check that out. Third gen badges for the first gen Tacoma. We're gonna stick these blacked out badges on this thing. We're gonna put them down. We're gonna put them down where the badges would be on a third gen, not on a first gen, on a third gen. This is what we want to do, so that's what we got. So we're gonna get these stuck on real quick, and then we're gonna shove some wheels and tires on this thing and check it all out. Alrighty, check this thing out. I mean, it is beautiful. I couldn't be happier with it. These tires and wheels, they just really set it off. You know, the ones that we ordered, they got back ordered, so we borrowed these just to kind of see what it would look like, you know. But hey, this right here looks amazing. This truck is amazing. We got the 3rd gen badges on there, the fender flares on there, everything is all buttoned up. We couldn't be happier with this truck. I know y'all enjoyed it. We've really enjoyed working on it. No, we did do all the work on the inside. I'm gonna open it up here and we can just check that out. We got all new carpet in there. We cleaned everything up. We still got a little bit of stuff on the dash we gotta kind of button up, but you know, that'll come later. Just a couple of little loose ends. We still gotta do a little bit of spray paint, you know, up under on the frame rails and up on the wheel wells and all, just to make it look really good. I mean, this truck is 20 years old. And I'm telling you, man, I don't know who wouldn't want to drive this truck around, because this right here would turn heads everywhere it goes. I mean, every place it goes, people will be like, wow, check that out, you know. And that's what we do when we see it, you know. We enjoyed this thing. We got lots and lots of exciting things planned for this channel. So y'all keep those post notifications turned on. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.